Vitamin D is essential to our health. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, phosphorus, which leads to healthy bones, and the vitamin can support the way our immune system functions. SSM Health family physician and wellness coach Dr. Roopa Shah joins me today to talk about getting enough vitamin D, how to know if you're not getting enough of it, and how to boost your vitamin D levels even during these Wisconsin cold winter months. Now, Dr. Shah, first off, how do we get enough vitamin D? Something that is on a lot of people's minds, especially right now in the middle of winter.
Yeah, this is the toughest time of year. Vitamin D production is really when our skin is exposed to sunlight, and that's how we can produce it. So in Wisconsin and northern latitudes, this becomes really difficult.
Right.
It's not impossible, but it becomes hard. Of course, knowing too that we can get some vitamin D from fatty fish, egg yolks, and other foods like that too, but predominantly it comes from sunlight.
Right, gotta get outside as much as possible.
Yes.
Now, what are some of the signs that you aren't getting enough vitamin D, and how do you know if you are vitamin D deficient?
So, vitamin D deficiency can mimic a lot of other illnesses, but you can have a lot of fatigue, muscle aching, that deep bone aching, even signs of depression or anxiety, hair loss. So if you're having some of those symptoms, go talk to your physician, because there is a blood test that can be done to really see where your levels fall, and it can be a really good, accurate way to know how much that you need to replace.
Right, and if you do need to replace it, what are some good ways to do that, to get more vitamin D?
Yeah, absolutely. Again, so there are certain foods, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, you can get it through that, but you're not getting as much. So the best way really is going to be through a vitamin D supplement.
Okay.
Most people should be taking about 1,000 to 2,000 international units per day, but most people can also take about 4,000 safely per day. But again, if you get your levels checked, you can get a more accurate account of how much you really need to take from your doctor.
And can vitamin D supplements be found over the counter?
Yes,
Okay.
you can get the vitamin D, the lower dose, the 1,000 to 2,000, 4,000 over the counter. If the higher doses that some people may need are prescription only.
Okay, all right, good to know.
Yeah.
All right, Dr. Shah, where else can people find you?
So they can find me on Instagram at Wellness with Dr. Shah.
All right, thank you as always.
Thank you.